Hello, this is Andrew again from Solar Forever, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new entrant in the Australian solar industry called Sigenergy, who are making waves heavily in Europe and will be reaching Australian shores extremely soon. The Sigenergy system is not unlike a lot of hybrid systems. There's a hybrid inverter on top of a stack of modular batteries. The range includes 5 kilowatt through to 10 kilowatt single phase inverters and 5 kilowatt through to just under 30 kilowatt three phase inverters. All the Sigenergy inverters are the same physical size. With the battery, you can oversize the panels 200% on single phase and 160% on three phase. And all of the inverters include the battery management system, the BMS, as well as the EMS and PCS for the battery. You can fit up to 6 batteries in a stack, and you can have multiple stacks, 10 or more stacks. If you are having multiple stacks though, each battery stack will need its own inverter, but once you do that, they all work as one single combined larger solar unit. Here are just some images of large Sig and Store solar installations in China, Sweden and Australia. It's an off-grid system, I think, in Australia. Now here's where things start getting really interesting. The batteries available from Sigenergy at the moment are 5 kilowatt hours of storage or 8 kilowatt hours of storage. But the thing is, you can mix them. You can make combinations of 5s and 8s all within a single stack. And later on, either later this year or in 2025, they're introducing 10 kilowatt hour and 12 kilowatt hour batteries. And they are also the same size and can be mixed with the 5s and the 8s. And here's a quick video from Sigenergy just showing how the batteries are fitting into the one size fits all battery cabinet. So how Sigenergy managed to mix batteries together, 8s and 5s and 10s and 12s, all in the same stack is, well, number one, they're all exactly the same size, but they also have their own optimizer and DC-DC converter in every battery, and they're parallel connected, so each battery is completely independent of every other battery. And even if a battery fails, the other batteries will continue to work. And here's something I didn't see coming. Sigenergy have a fully integrated DC charger for EVs, 12 or 25 kilowatts, and it takes up one of the battery positions in the stack. So what the EV charger can do is it can draw down power from a combination of the solar panels and the battery, and from the grid too if you want, but excluding that bit. But there's no AC conversion. Even within the car, it stays DC all the way through, high power and really efficient. It's also bi-directional. So if you've heard of vehicle to home or vehicle to grid, it's ready for both. So when Australian standard AS4777 finally gets sorted out and allows this sort of thing, then you would be able to use your car battery to power your home at night. I'm not sure if that's really a great business idea for Sigenergy because they lose out on a battery sale. I'm sure that the DC charger will appeal to some homeowners, but I think the more likely use is just a normal AC charger. EV smart chargers are available in 7, 11 and 22 kilowatt versions, single and three phase, fully integrated. And of course, it had to happen, AI incorporated into the whole system. Here's an example. Please charge my electric car at 9 p.m. tonight. Yes, sir, I will start charging it at 9 p.m. tonight. Or it could show you charts of today's energy generation. So ChatGPT is built into the app, and you can do voice commands and get whatever you want appearing on the app. And it also transfers to us, to installers and service managers, where we can tap into a knowledge base, ever-growing knowledge base, of how to fix issues that we encounter simply by using exactly this same AI system. And backup is also available with the Sigenergy system via a gateway box. In fact, there are 4 different gateway boxes, 2 for single phase and 2 for three phase. The more expensive one, the Home Max, also has the ability to connect to generator input and also manage controllable loads, things like heat pumps and so forth. And one other very special feature is 0 millisecond backup. Yes, you heard me right. It is a UPS backup. It switches over from when the grid goes down to when the battery and the inverter are providing power to your house loads in 0 milliseconds. A genuine UPS. Nothing like that on the market. I first got to hear about Sigenergy actually through some contacts I have in Europe. And there's a lot of videos online of various installations of Sigenergy systems over there. But in Australia, apart from some beta sites and some off-grid sites, the CEC will approve the products sometime between now and the end of July. And after that, I believe that stock is here now, so we will be able to start selling them.